Every adult in Texas will be eligible to register for a COVID vaccine. Monday is the big day. And while the process is opening up to millions more Texans, some seniors still haven't been able to get vaccinated. Damon Fernandez shows us how volunteers are working to change that.
Thursday afternoon, and a group of Arlington residents are lining up at Cornerstone Baptist Church.
This is very helpful for us.
Lining up with appointments for a dose of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. This church is among neighborhood and community sites where Arlington Fire Department is distributing the shots. In recent weeks, fire department staffers have also been proactive in administering the COVID-19 vaccine to some homebound residents.
We want to make sure everyone is protected. We see that there are some gaps in the process in the system, and we can fill in those gaps.
This effort, as Texas Governor Greg Abbott announced on Thursday, the state's expanding its Save Our Seniors initiative, a program focused on getting vaccines to homebound seniors.
So far, 90 counties have participated in the program to vaccinate homebound seniors.
The Dallas County communities of Cedar Hill and DeSoto were part of that project.
We're trying to make it easier than ever before to make sure that you will be able to get your shot.
But the rollout of similar community-focused efforts for mobility-challenged seniors is a concern to some Dallas city leaders.
They simply want access to that vaccine in their home. They're afraid.
Dallas Councilwoman Carolyn King Arnold is among them. She says she's been hearing from families whose loved ones are disabled or unable to make it out to vaccination hubs. Arnold says efforts to bring doses to churches, other neighborhood sites, and launch in-home vaccine programs locally aren't happening fast enough.
We have the fire departments ready to go. We have the visiting nurses ready to go. We have Meals on Wheels ready to go. All they need is simply the vaccine. We just need someone to take the politics out of this conversation and take care of those individuals who need it the most.
In Dallas, I'm Damon Fernandez.